Hey, this is Sabrina, and today I'm going to show you how to add your tracking codes into your Teachable account. So what you're going to do is you're going to first add your domain name into whatever tracking program you are using, whether that's Google Analytics or Clicky. You want to make sure that you add your domain name in there first. Then they're going to provide you with a tracking code that you need to put onto your website. So what you're going to do is from the back end of Teachable, you're going to go into Site, then Code Snippets. And in here, you have a few different areas. You have your custom CSS, your head code snippets, your logged in snippets, and your logged out snippets. Since we want this in the header, so it goes on all of our pages, you want to go to the head code snippet section, and you're going to paste your tracking code right in there. Then make sure that you hit save, so that way it saves that code. Then you can go over to your tracking program and test to make sure that that tracking code is working. So for example, we are using Clicky. So if I log into Clicky here, ours is Ballen Academy. And I think ours is actually still on Ballen Academy Teachable. Okay, it does look like it is still tracking properly here. So we have our Ballen Academy Teachable URL in here, which works just fine as well. So, so you can definitely use that. And then make sure that it's tracking. Now in Clicky, you do have an option in your preferences under your tracking code to verify your tracking code to see if it's working. Now, one thing I did notice is that sometimes you may click on verify tracking code and it says it's not working, but it really is. So you definitely want to test your traffic. I would probably have maybe a friend or somebody that's not on the same IP address as you go in, click around on the website a little bit, and then go back to Clicky and see if it's actually tracking that traffic. Clicky does also have a spy option where you can see who is live on your website. So you'll know your tracking link is working from that as well. So a couple different ways to verify that it's working in Clicky specifically, but that is where you put your tracking code. Very simple. If you have any questions, let us know, and thank you so much for watching.